Yes, hello, Sergeant? Sergeant White, is it, yes?
Yes.
Hello? Hello, are you there?
Yes.
Ah, I can hear you now, Sergeant, don't worry. Yes, it's all straightened up.
Hello, are you there?
I hate to be a bother, Sergeant, I really do. But you know I wouldn't unless I was in dire need of your assistance, you say.
Lieutenant Roberts, is that you?
Ah, yes. Guilty as charged, I'm afraid.
Yeah, right. What seems to be the problem then?
Why? I hate to be a bother, you know.
No, it's fine. It's right. No, it's right. It's fine.
It's my pen.
I'm sorry, you're what?
You see, old boy, it's my blasted pen, that's what it is. Yeah.
Yes, I do get it. What about your pen?
My blasted pen, I can't seem to find it.
You can't find it, you say?
You see, I was signing documents with it one minute, the next minute it was gone.
Your ears?
No, but I said my pen. Yes, my pen, actually.
No. Have you checked behind your ears?
So, do you think I'm daft? Yes, of course I've checked behind my ears.
Not at all, sir. What about your trouser pockets?
Nowhere to be seen, I'm afraid, yes.
I beg your pardon, sir?
You see, I can't seem to find my trousers either. Yes.
That is very odd.
No, sir, actually, it's very, very cold in here. Not all, very cold. Yes, I told you I can't find my trousers after all, yes.
Sir, I don't want to alarm you.
No, it's fine. Alarm away, sir.
But do you think there's some sort of breach?
You're not suggesting that someone stole my pen and trousers, are you?
Well, it seems like the only possible explanation, given the circumstances. Sir, are you missing anything out? Sir, are you there? Lieutenant Robert? Hello?
Sergeant, are you there? Blast! Oh.